Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to maintain a pool. Owning a pool is a fantastic luxury, but it comes with ongoing expenses. Annually, you can expect to spend between $960 and $1,800 on basic maintenance. However, when you factor in utilities, minor repairs, and other necessities, the total yearly cost of pool ownership can range from $3,000 to $6,000. These figures vary significantly based on your pool's size, type, and how often it's used. Keeping your pool water clean and balanced is crucial, and chemicals are a big part of that. If you handle maintenance yourself, expect to spend about $20 to $100 per month on chemicals. The exact amount depends on your pool's volume, as larger pools naturally need more product. Interestingly, saltwater pools can sometimes be more cost-effective for chemicals, with annual salt expenses averaging around $336, potentially saving you money over time. Beyond daily upkeep, pool equipment eventually needs attention or replacement. It's wise to set aside around $500 each year for unexpected repairs. For instance, replacing a crucial component like a pool pump can cost anywhere from $400 to $1,200. Filters, essential for clean water, also have a lifespan, with replacements typically costing between $300 and $1,000, depending on the specific filter type you have installed. If you prefer to leave pool maintenance to the experts, professional services are a great option. Weekly cleaning services usually cost between $80 and $150 per month. For a one-time deep clean, expect to pay around $120 to $270. Additionally, professional pool opening or closing services typically range from $300 to $500. Remember to factor these costs into your overall budget for a sparkling, well-maintained pool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.